Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a 5G network issue on your iPhone after update to iOS 17, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, make sure that we are in the 5G coverage area. If you are in 5G coverage area but the 5G is not working, then we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on mobile or cellular data, then tap mobile data option and turn off low data mode, and also tap on voice and data and make sure that 5G is selected. Then go back to settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Then tap on date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Now we have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap on battery and disable low power mode after charging your iPhone the minimum 80%. By doing these settings, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to some other solutions. Now enable airplane mode and force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, same go back to settings and disable airplane mode. After that, the next solution is we are going to settings, general, and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. The next solution is settings and general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. By doing these easy and simple steps, you will get rid of the issue that is 5G is not working on your iPhone after update to iOS 17. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.